Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 apps for learning ethical hacking. But before I continue, I would like you to know that this channel is all about reviews on apps and softwares. So do want to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification button to know when we have new videos. Like I said, today's video is all about the apps for learning ethical hacking. So the first app on my list is HackerX. This app can be found on Google Play Store, and these apps give you the advantage of understanding the basis of an hacker. So, know who is known as a hacker and what is hacking. 3. Introduction of security. 4. Types of hackers. 5. Know about malware. 6. And what is virus. So the second app on my list is ethical hacking. So this app gives you the advantage of 1. Learning the most important topics. 2. Definition and classification. 3. Equations and examples. This app can also be found in Google Play Store. The third app on my list is termux Guide for Hackers. So this app gives you the advantage of 1. Learning ethical hacking and building career in it. 2. Programming courses tailored to get you job ready. 3. Verifiable and shareable certificates. 4. Fun, interactive and bite-sized learning. 5. Personalized learn section for ongoing courses. The app can also be found on Google Play Store as well as other apps mentioned. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, hit the notification button to know when we have more videos, and stay safe.